How to find recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can find recently watched reels on Instagram. So let's get into it. So I come over here onto reels, and let's say this is a reel that I like and I want to find it, right? All I would have to do is just simply like it or save it, right? But I go here back, right? I hit the reels button and I reload it and it's gone, right? Now I need to find it again. All I would have to do is just simply click on this home button, go to your profile, click on the three hamburger icons, and then over here you will see your activity, and just simply click over here and you will see the interactions right here. So you have recently archived, liked, comment, tagged, reviews, and all of that. So go into likes and you will find the recently liked videos right here. So you can just simply go ahead and watch it from there. So that is how you do it. Now, I'm sure this isn't the version that you were looking for. Unfortunately, on Instagram, you can't find recently watched videos. You can only find recently liked, comment, or stuff like that. You can't find those videos on it. So this is a workaround. So make sure you like the videos that you like so that you can, go back and find them again. So it's just that simple. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.